Hey guys, this is me Sadia again. Welcome back to the brand new video, and today I'm getting ready for a dinner party, and which is really very, and I'm a little bit of late, so I am going to I will just went through my makeups as quickly as possible, and I will share some tips, some hacks, some favorites, and let's see what comes up next. So I have just done my foundations, and I am wearing very powder blue colors suits with very cotton candy, little bit of very much sweet colors of pink, which I will show you again, but you can see from my sleeves. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing, and I am doing some preparations to make my face a little bit of healthy, because a few days I wasn't able to take care of my faces, and see I got a little bit of zits right here. So I'm not trying to just cover it up, make it all the smooth, something like that, but I'm not going to do that because that is not healthy for my zits and everything. So I'm just going to do some really normal makeup things, and I'm going to clean it up real nice later. So let's start. I'm using a round powder makeup brush, and this is quite of a handy because I use this brush for my bronzer and my contour type of thing, and it's really smooth. As you can see, this is very smooth, and it doesn't give the harsh intensity, so I totally love it. For the base, as usual, for little of out of the box color, just to give it little bit of darker shades. I have done a little bit of mauvish pink colors creaser tone here. I'm going for a little bit of whitish blue tone as I go, because that's what looks my eye a little bit of pop up, little bit of bigger. So that's why I'm of higher tone of blue. I am going for mauve tone in the middle, so that it gave all of the shades of pink and the middle shades of pink and bluish. So it happens to be a little bit of wider, so I'm just going to adjust to the blue and the pink tone. I'm going to give it a little bit of golden off-whitey shades, because I don't like silver that much on my face. It makes me look a little bit of darkish, and it just, I don't know, for me it says time down my makeup glow. So I'm just going to remove it up in the corner of my eye so that it just keeps lights up, and the different color shades of this blue, pink, it remains on the spot. I'm going to go for a wing today, so I'm just going to make it a little bit of wider line on the eyes, and I'm not going to give the cat eye look. I'm just going to go with a wider eyeliner today and give the wings a little bit of pop-up. So for this 3-tone makeup, and a little bit, I don't want a very obvious pink tone. I am just going for a mauvish so that my eye shade and my lip shade would be on the sync. So this mauve tone can look a little bit of turquoise, which I want to a little bit of settle down. So I am going for a lighter mauve tone. So I am ready with this beautiful pink hijab and the silk chiffon dupatta, which has beautiful lace on the bottom, and this is my dress. Yeah, this is the final look of my suit. It has beautiful embroidery work with pink and with white colors, and with also a little bit of sky blue colors, embroidery work, beautiful lengths, beautiful cotton fabrics, and I have worked on the back also little flowers, embroidery flower works, and I have wear these beautiful rose gold finger rings and one pearl bracelets, and I'm going to wear this beautiful diamond cut bracelet. So this is it. Let me know what else do you like to see in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video, so take care guys. Bye bye.